Okay, so we're fully loaded up. I just collected my friend's absolute pile of poo. I'm almost embarrassed to trailer this thing, but no, should be fun. Should be a good few little skids. It's nice to have a little wall banger you don't really care about. So yeah, I'm gonna make my way over to Pod now and see you there. Let's roll.
Nice.
But it'll look better than this.
Wide arch, bro.
It might have been done with a hammer.
Yes, I can see that, mate. I can see that.
Oh.
Looks like you've done it with your teeth, mate.
Ah, it weren't me, that was her.
Right, let's get to Pod. Okay, so we've arrived at Pod. Let's go get this thing unloaded. It's gonna be a sick day. It's gonna be some sick people. Gonna be some sick drivers. Should be pretty wicked. I'm well excited. Can you tell? Right, good start already.
Recording it for his oop too. My car braking again.
Yeah, it's broken already, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Bag of poo. Look at that. Nasty. Look at that thing. Old little barn find. That is how it's done. Sod all this pretty boy stuff. Peace. So I think this used to be the old Chelsea Denofa's car, I believe. Oh yeah, it is that. It's got the signature on it. There we go. That is sick. Nice, very nice. So that's Mr. Grundy. We'll try and jump out later with him and see if we can get a few laps with him later. That'd be good. Good old Colgate.
Block kit.
So completely standard.
Very stock.
Nice.
Even stock BMW LSD.
Really?
Yeah, so the only thing we've got on this
Yeah.
is very small wheel spacers. 15mm on the back, 12mm on the front.
Okay.
And we've got Zestino hard tyres on the back
Yeah.
because that works really well. Oh, hang on. Manual. Where's my... Ah! Got to switch off DSC, otherwise it doesn't work.
So
Yeah, it's off.
Traction control. Oh wow. Fair play.
Oh, nearly. Nearly catch that one.
Oh no!
Got that one wrong.
God, that drives well. Jesus. God, that's a weapon. Look at that. Woo! What's he running under there?
2J.
Jesus.
He's out of the way now, if that's why you were stopping. Try again.
your own roll there, mate. No 360s.
No one was close enough.
Nah, that's
I'll
fine.
get away with it.
I'll let you off.
I don't know why that corner seems to keep giving me a problem either at the minute. Because it's the car's doing something in a reaction and I don't know what it is yet.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Hey, here we go. Jesus Christ. Oh my lord.
That's what happens when you hook third properly.
Fair play,
Good
mate.
God,
Fair
that thing
play.
goes so.
Did you just paddle shift that as well?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, paddle shift in the middle of steering it upside down, you know. Because why not?
That's it. That's so good. Wow. Well, fair play, sir. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate that. Nice.
Lovely jumper, by the way. I took it out of the bag.
Oh, yeah?
Earlier. I had a look, I was like, yeah, that looks cool.
Yeah, I'm
It's,
glad
just,
to like
it's so
it.
subtle on the, with black on
That's
black.
what I thought. I'd make it nice.
Yeah,
subtle,
yeah.
Nice. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
really cool.
Yeah. STX.co.uk. Go grab yourself a hoodie.
It's awesome.
Cheers, man. Okay, so we're now halfway through the day. It's lunchtime. Looks like my man Jack's having a few misfires.
Yeah, they've got loads of companies.
So, yeah, as you can see, we're just swapping out, well, not swapping out, just cleaning up all the spark plugs. Suspected it might be the oil leaking onto the plugs. But yeah, that's the fun of drifting. And in the drift world, everybody comes to help when your car goes wrong. So there's no like, that's what I love about the drift world. You all look out for each other, you all help each other. It's a great atmosphere, and yeah, I mean, I don't think you can fit any more people underneath that bonnet right now to fix that. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy some lunch and then we'll do some more drifting. See if we can get out on this beast and get a nice lap out on that. See what my man Owen is all about, considering he's representing my brand. Go grab yourself a hoodie. We've got the matching hoodies, the 139 on the 350Z, which is pretty awesome. But yeah. Got one boys up here, DWYB, DWYB, in-house, STX. Oh, it's even got the loop, foolproof now, full throttle, sorry. Nice. Love that. Right, let's go see if we can jump in someone's car. I fancy a nice lap around the track. I think I can see Cody. Can I jump in? I swear I can see him somewhere, but I'm looking everywhere. You got a seatbelt? Yeah, you have. Oh, come on. Is this your first time on big track?
Today.
Today, yeah.
Today.
Yeah, sorry, today, yeah. Yeah, I know you've been on big track before.
Dry as well, so I'm a bit like.
You'll be alright, mate.
Yeah.
Just,
And then all these lot go first, and then I'm just going to do my own thing back.
I think they might make you go first, though.
No, I've said so, I'm going to go back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine then.
So I'm at the back, I mean, I'm going to let them go.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah,
leave
yeah.
like fucking 5 cars, 6
Yeah,
cars, mate.
yeah. Keep it safe, yeah.
Pump them along.
That's good, man. Good. Exciting.
It is nerve-wracking as well.
Yeah, that's good, mate. It's good. It's all part of it, mate. It's all part of it. Oh, ready to go, boy. Come on. Look at that.
Nom nom.
Nom nom.
I'm pretty sure that's stock. No hide, no handbrake, no nothing.
Yeah.
He's doing it right in the kidney.
Yeah, that's it, mate. It looks clean. There's a nice little motor, the old
It's
S40.
too clean to
Yeah.
drift out here.
Yeah. So I worry, like, had to build the 370. I think I'm going to be more scared of, like,
That's it.
sending it than, yeah. He's
I've
getting
kind of looked at this car now as a tool though.
Yeah.
It's if it breaks, it breaks. Yeah, it's money.
Yeah.
I'm not really happy about it, but
Yeah.
it's do
That's
better.
it. That's it. I mean, these things are fixable, aren't they? It's all the joys of it. Mr. Colgate.
Seen the picture on the back of this thing.
Yeah.
So, going on a big track can be pretty scary now, but it is something you have to tick off, no matter what. So I highly recommend maybe speaking to a marshal, take them out in the kidneys, and just ask their opinion whether you're ready for the big track. But don't hesitate to get on that big track, because other drivers will keep their distance from you, and you can safely transition through the corners. And if you spin out, not the end of the world. It happens, it's drifting. But as long as you're not getting close to other cars, if you're not confident, all is good. But you can see my man Cody here absolutely pushing himself to the limit, and in a minute I will show you the improvement he makes throughout the day, because he will have Danny Grundy literally on his door, which is really impressive. So yeah, no matter what, go speak to a marshal, get yourself on the big track, really push yourself, guys, because you're here to have some fun, you're here to push yourself to the limit, and you're here to do it in a safe environment. Look at this, span out, plenty of room to go around, no issues, just carried on your day. Happy days, simple, enjoy your time.
Much better. I think your tyres are gone. Don't know. Well done.
Fuck yes!
That was good, bro. That was good. Give yourself. How'd you feel?
Fucking amazing.
That was great. That was great. That was really good. Really good, man.
Check my fucking tyres.
Yeah, check them over. That was really good, mate. Mate, I need to get my 370 sorted.
Yeah, talking about you.
You've done really well there, actually. Like, anyone like beginner level, you know, just come down here, learn the small tracks, work your way up to the big tracks. Yeah, like that. You don't have to be perfect. You're going to spin out, it's going to happen. But as long as you're safe, as long as you keep distance from other cars, it is great. Great atmosphere here. All the instructors, all the marshals, they'll look out for you. They'll make sure you're safe. And yeah, come on down here. Great place. Great place. So, how you getting along?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Changed to some different size tyres. Trying a 255 instead of a 235. So we're going to see how she gets on. Hopefully a bit more grip and speed.
Yeah, you look like you're doing pretty good out there, so I'll have to come out for a passenger lap in a second.
Yeah.
See what you're all about.
100%. Get you out and see if we can keep up with the big boys.
Sounds good, mate.
Sweet.
Go on a big track.
Oh yeah.
Go short that Mr. Grundy.
Come and give some lessons.
Yeah. That's what we're running now anyway. Oh yeah, you're on 255s now. So that's looking a lot more meaty. The old strong wheels there, nom nom. So yeah, this thing is an absolute beauty if you haven't already seen it. So yeah, it's sponsored by Strom. It's got the UVC big brake kit, so that looks really awesome. As you can see here, it's got our logo on it. Nom nom. So that's pretty cool, looking good. This is a really nice clean motor. It's been really built very well, very tasteful. really nice livery done there by a good friend of his. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Definitely a bit of motivation to get that 370 finished. So that'll be the next few videos. Will be hopefully finishing that off. I've got a few parts ready to go. I just haven't got around to doing it. But hey ho, I need to get my arse into gear, get that drift car sorted, and hopefully after Christmas we can come back to the pod. We can get on track and do some drifting ourselves. Buzzing, absolutely buzzing. Right, now it's an end to an absolute sick day. Drifted, over Hampton, really good time. Got to see some big boys on track, got to see the Grundy on track. But yeah, catch us next time where we'll carry on building the 370Z and hopefully we can get that bad boy up and running, sorted, and we can do some drifting. Bye!